RJD Supremo Lalu Prasad is in a tight spot over his alleged casteist remarks made on the campaign trail in Bihar. The Election Commission has ordered a case of violation of Model Code of Conduct against him for his remarks on forward and backward castes made while campaigning for his son Tejasvi Yadav at Raghopur on Sunday. Chief Election Commissioner Nazim Zaidi had on Monday said that any casteist remark was a breach of Election Commission's guidelines and assured that the Commission would deal with such matters under its legal framework. Lalu had earlier claimed that he will continue to fight for backwards, Dalits and poor. After the poll watchdog's crackdown, he promised to cooperate in the probe against him.
हम गरीबों की आवाज को मैं बंद नहीं करूंगा, उनके लड़ाई लड़ता रहूंगा। हम लोग चुनाव आयोग को, हम पार्टी के हेड हैं, हम लोग हर तरह से सहयोग करेंगे चुनाव शांतिपूर्वक ढंग से।
Lalu's rivals have hit out at him over his controversial remarks.
लालू प्रसाद जी को यदि चिंता है पिछड़े समाज की, तो उनको सबसे पहले अपने दो बेटों के सीटों को खाली करना चाहिए और वह 2 सीट पिछड़ा समाज के लिए लालू प्रसाद जी को देना चाहिए। वहां 2 पिछड़े समाज के लोगों को लड़ाते, तब ये बात सही लगती कि लालू प्रसाद जी ने पिछड़े समाज की चिंता की है।
Meanwhile, an FIR was lodged against BJP leader Sushil Kumar Modi for allegedly trying to allure voters by promising them free laptops, color television sets and saris at his public meeting in Bhabua at Kaimur district on Monday. The case was filed on the basis of video footage of the rally. Protesting against the police action, Sushil Modi sought the intervention of the Election Commission.
ये तो हमारा अधिकार है, हम चुनाव जीतने के बाद क्या करेंगे मतदाताओं को बताने का हमारा अधिकार है। ये जो अगर इन अधिकारियों को इतनी भी अगर समझदारी नहीं है तो करे मुकदमे की परवाह थोड़ी करते हैं।
Meanwhile, Bihar Chief Minister Nitish Kumar was jeered at an election rally on Tuesday where slogans of Modi Modi rented the air. The chants at Nitish's rally at Nawada district left him red-faced. The situation got uglier when the crowd threw slippers on stage targeting the Chief Minister, forcing a brief interruption in his address. The hostile reception for Nitish triggered an exchange of barbs between the BJP and JDU.
जिस प्रकार से नीतीश जी के रैली में मोदी 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 बुलाया गया है और नीतीश जी को धक्का लगा है, ये मूड है बिहार का। ये बिहार के जनता का मन का आवाज है जो नीतीश जी सुनते हुए भी सुनने की कोशिश नहीं कर रहे हैं।
किसी बड़े मीटिंग में जिसमें हजारों लोग इकट्ठे हैं और चंद लोग खड़ा होकर के नारा लगा दें, तो इससे क्या जो भारी भीड़ खड़ी रहती है उसकी आवाज होगी।
With barely a fortnight left for the first phase of polls, the BJP has stepped up its poll preparations. Party President Amit Shah reached Patna on Tuesday, kicking off his week-long tour of the state, during which he will hold a series of meetings to galvanize party cadre in all districts for a final push in the battle with the JDU-RJD Congress alliance. Newsnight Desk, DD News.